Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error 502 bat gateway in WordPress. So when we refresh the page or update any page, sometime gives this error. So we are going to fix it. Before starting, like as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see page give error. Another page give same error. Sometime page load. Sometime give error. So we are going to fix it. So we are going to increase value of PHP memory limit, PHP maximum execution time, maximum input time and maximum input var by adding value in wp-config.php file. So you can add this value in your wp-config.php file. Now you see PHP memory limit, execution time, maximum input var. So you can set value according to requirement. Now you see 512M, 600, 300. Now you see maximum input var 7200 and you will find this value in video description or in comment section. Now back to WordPress. So we are going to increase value using PHP tool. So it's up to you. Now 512, 600 maximum value we are going to set and then maximum input var 7200. So we set value of maximum input var, input time, execution time, memory limit. So you can increase this value using wp-config.php file also. So it's up to you and then click on OK. Now you see changes done. Go to page, refresh the page. Now you see page is loading fine. So we clear browser cache also. So you can clear your browser cache also. Now you see page loading. So you can increase value according to requirement and you will find these value in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.